Welcome everyone again. New video, new analysis going on. New week. Right now is 29th of October. And yesterday I didn't trade, even though I had that nice new week opening gap to use as a start liquidity. But as you can see, price action was not the best over here. So I didn't take a position. Right now, I'm still watching this high. That's smooth edges. That's yesterday we already had that this high was aligning with plus distribution, but I think now it holds more liquidity and more importance to go there, since we have more highs. So we have this liquidity from this high and this consolidation, or kind of consolidation, over here. If those were smooth, that would be 10 out of 10 when it comes to draw. If instead of being irregular, if instead of having something like this, we had something like this, that would be perfect, but we don't have it. So yeah, today, this week is a bit tricky. We have so many things going on. Earnings release from many companies. We have also high impact news, NFP on Friday. What else? I think we have consumer sentiment today. Consumer confidence today. Also, we have unemployment claims on Thursday. So I wouldn't expect great price action, because sometimes prior to market open, it kind of is clean, but then opens happen, and then projecting just acts weird. It could be for the news probably, but well, if I have to frame something for today, we swept this low over here. We also filled the gap, the new week opening gap, so we are trading inside the gap. We have plus manipulation a little bit below. We are right now 1 hour away until the session, so what I would like to see is probably sweep of the plus manipulation level. At the same time, we would be sweeping this low. So everyone that was trying to long in here would be probably out of the trade. At least they would have their stops here, or just a way to shake early longers and then try to find a long. I don't know if we are gonna get to smooth edges draw. I don't think so. I don't think we are gonna spend that much on a day like today. We have news, but it's not like an FP or CPI. It's not something that huge, in my opinion. But it could happen. If we go down to a lower time frame, probably a good draw would be London high. It also kind of looks like seek and destroy. Like we are broadening here, If we sweep that, we will be placing a low over here, and if we get the actual long, we will be placing a high over here. So it didn't surprise me at all if we are on a seek and destroy profile today. But yeah, for now, for me that's not easy to trade, so I didn't even look at charts. on weeks like this, I try to keep my charting time the smallest as I can. Like, I don't try to watch the charts that much when we have so many news, and price action probably is not the best. So for now, I'm gonna wait and see. But yeah, I think longs could be working, given the fact that we have that draw over here. But for now, taking it slow, since price action was not the best this week. Okay, forgot to record the New Year session open. Plan remains the same. We like to see some kind of displacement down and open, and then get a move up at least to London session highs, and ultimate draw at smooth edges. We have news at 10, so probably not gonna open my position now, but I'm gonna watch, see if we get something interesting going on, and then at 10 try to open the position if we get to move long. Okay, we just got the sweep that I was looking for. Now I'm gonna be waiting. I'm gonna be waiting to see if we get a reaction, move up or something like this. Seems that price is reacting. I'm gonna go over to the 1 minute. Sadly, 1 minute, I didn't have an entry on the 1 minute, and my breaker block is all the way up here, so I'm not sure about entering around here. I could use an inversion, and seeing an inversion happen around here would be a first sign to get into the position into the London session highs. But yeah, as I said, it's best to wait right now for the news release at 10, and then see what we do here. All right, not yet open, not yet news release, but I'm gonna attempt a long if we end up closing above. Again, London highs as London high over here. We had the manipulation into the plus manipulation level from the stat map. That's the breaker. We got the inversion I was talking early on. 5 minutes inversion, but I want to see price goes above this breaker. But the position would look like something like this. Not yet pushing any button, because it's just right at the daily open, kind of seeing some kind of rejection. No, yeah, probably you want to see probably the M5 close. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for the M5 close. Okay, news got released, and we have manipulation down, plus a move up. For now, I'm gonna wait. I don't know. We could go higher from here. But yeah, I think I'm gonna open a position if I can. The stop loss is too tight, I think, for the kind of move we are getting with the news release. Still waiting to see how price reacts, or at least what price does. Thinking of buying here. Yeah, I'm gonna look for a position. Probably going too late into the trade. Okay, I just got tagged in. I don't like this candle, and especially this candle close that we're gonna have if we don't close above my entry. Yeah, that's the kind of close up like for this candle, if we really want to go higher, especially. I'm gonna move my stop to break even. I don't want it to go back to my entry, and just see if I get a move up, an explosive move up to my take profit. I'm gonna get some water, and when I come back, see what we are into. Price seems to be trying to keep pushing higher. Hope it does, to be honest. Hope it does. Okay, I just got out break even. Still thinking we go higher, and probably should have waited for this entry over here on that breaker. Let me open up again the position and see if we get tagged in again. It's a bit unlucky. Should have probably left the position open. Yeah. Setting the limit again and see if I get tagged a little bit lower. 1 minute to close this candle, and probably it's gonna go up to take profit without failing me. Okay, I'm tagged in again into the breaker. Let's see if price really wants to go higher again or not. It's like price going up. Sadly, I closed break even my previous trade. It would be up quite a bit more. I'm probably exiting along a high, most likely, because that was my initial draw for the possible move. But still think we could maybe go higher. But I'm trading my prop firm, my funded futures account, and I prefer to get my base hits rather than just hit a home run. So that would be the idea. I'm gonna move my stop loss again to break even. I don't really want to see after that tap again back into the entry, or at least I'm not willing to risk probably, since we got that kind of move. So I prefer to move it break even and see if it goes higher, and maybe hold a little bit above the London session highs. Okay, price seems to be trying to reach a bit higher. This is on the top. Sad that I got my first position close at break even, because I would probably been out already. I had a bigger position than now. But yeah, I'm probably closing around here. If it closed, it didn't. Yeah, it closed now. So yeah, that would be the trade for today. Seems like I closed early probably again. Let me check. Yeah. Yeah, that would be it. The start map unicorn, same principle, same idea. It played perfectly to the tick. Like the idea was perfect, I would say. My execution was not the best. Also, I don't like when we have this kind of breakers right here with a big down move. I prefer I always say I prefer the breaker to be around plus manipulation level, as close as the manipulation levels, or as close as the stat map level that's going to cause the move up or down. In that case, up. So in that case, the breaker was above the middle of the range. So in my opinion, I'm not comfortable with that. I prefer to have the breaker down here, but the idea played out, and it was a clean trade again. This account is sitting above the buffer for it's on my funded futures. Yeah, expert. We started trading this account around a week ago, I guess. Yeah, and my first light trade was with what was in a video. I'm recording all my executions on this account, so we are 3 out of 3 trades on this account, and yeah, now we are reaching minus manipulation, and maybe we get to move into our smooth edges or high time frame smooth edges here. But yeah, for me it's enough. Got my piece of the cake. I could request 1k from this account, but I'm gonna play it a bit higher, trying to reach for 5k minimum. So at least we're gonna have some more executions on this account until I get my payout on it. If you have any doubts, questions, leave it on the comments. I'm preparing new videos, one talking about the stat map and how I use it, and yeah, have a good week.